Do you have a combination peel or process that's similar to the VI peel?
Yes. What we want to do, and this is actually stronger because these are higher percentages than what's in the VI peel. So you would do your Jesner first, with 1 or 2 layers. Depends on how seasoned you are at doing this. You add more layers. Jesner, then TCA, and then, well, you could do either Luminosity is the milder option. Or if you want to make this as potent as possible, you would do the Dream Peel on top.
Yeah.
That is
That combo is
very much what is in the VI peel.
Yes.
I mean, basically all the same ingredients. They're just putting the vitamin A on afterwards, and they have these ingredients all together in their one solution. But, you know, you can only do like 1 peel at a time, or you're
Right.
gonna pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars to do that. Now you can do that at home for way less 1 peel. Then you're gonna get like 6+ peels,
Oh yeah.
and they're stronger.